Today, I am reviewing the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone robot vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have spent several weeks putting the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone through its paces in a busy household with pets, high-traffic hallways, and a mix of hardwood and carpeted floors, and I can honestly say this represents a massive shift in how we think about home maintenance. Most robot vacuums feel like gadgets that require a bit too much babysitting, but the X11 feels like a legitimate utility that manages itself. The first thing that blew me away is the sheer raw power. We are talking about 19,500 pascals of suction, which is a number that almost sounds like a typo until you see it in action. I have used many high-end robots that claim deep cleaning, but this is the first time I have seen a robot pull fine dust and embedded pet hair out of high-pile carpets with the same efficiency as a corded upright vacuum. The ZeroTangle 3.0 technology is a massive relief for pet owners. Usually, after a week of cleaning, I am sitting on the floor with a pair of scissors cutting hair off the brush roll, but the X11's anti-tangle system actually works. It manages to direct hair into the dust bin without it wrapping tightly around the axle, which saves so much frustration and manual labor. The mopping system is where the X11 truly separates itself from the competition. The OZMO Roller 2.0 with the TruEdge 3.0 technology is significantly better than the vibrating pads or basic spinning mops found on older models. Instead of just wiping the floor, the high-density nylon roller provides a genuine scrubbing action. Watching it work along the baseboards was impressive because it hugs the edges with incredible precision, leaving almost no gap between the mop and the wall. When it transitions to carpet, the triple lift system engages instantly. It lifts the roller mop high enough to ensure that my rugs stay bone dry, while the brushes continue to agitate and clean. The new OMNI Station is a masterclass in convenience, and I am particularly happy with the move to a bagless auto-emptying system. Not only is it better for the environment, but it also eliminates the recurring cost of buying disposable bags. The maintenance is almost entirely automated. The station washes the mop with 167-degree hot water, which is hot enough to break down oils and sanitize the fabric, followed by a hot air drying cycle that prevents any musty odors from developing. It even refills the water tank and cleans its own base, meaning you really only have to interact with it every few weeks to empty the dust container or refresh the water tanks. One of the unsung heroes of this model is the TruePass four-wheel climbing system. My home has several high thresholds and transitions between different flooring types that have trapped every other robot I have tested. The X11 handles these like an off-road vehicle. It climbs over door tracks and thresholds nearly an inch high without getting stuck or needing a push. Combined with the AIVI 3D 3.0 and LiDAR navigation, the robot moves with a level of confidence that is rare. It doesn't bump into furniture or get confused by stray shoes left on the floor. It maps the house quickly and accurately, and the YTKO agent actually learns your habits over time, suggesting cleaning schedules that fit your lifestyle. The GaN fast charging is another clever addition, especially for large homes. If the battery does run low during a massive cleaning job, it recharges significantly faster than standard robots, meaning it spends less time at the dock and more time finishing the job. Whether you are controlling it via the app, using the YTKO voice assistant, or integrating it into a smart home setup with Matter or Alexa, the interface is smooth and responsive. If you have a large home and are tired of the constant maintenance required by cheaper robots, the ECOVACS X11 OmniCyclone is the ultimate hands-off solution. It is powerful, intelligent, and genuinely frees up your time.